Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, this video is the take down. As you guys seen from last week, Wednesday's video, I dropped on how I braided my hair. And if you guys have not watched that video, please go back. The link is down below in the description box. So go watch that video and stay tuned for this video. Go get your snack, go get your drink, go get your tea, whatever you need to come watch this video. Hey y'all, so to start off this video, you would only need two things. You would need an oil of your choice and an edge control. So to start off this video, you guys will see me take off my bonnet. Please don't judge. Oh my goodness. You guys see me take my braids out, and then to start off with your take down, you need to make sure there's oil in your hands and make sure there's oil on your braids. Alright guys, so now that I got the majority of the back done, I'm working my way to the front. In the front, I have my flat braid. Remember, I said in the last video that my flat braid is where I had my heat damage. I'm starting off slow, then working my way up to the top. Also, I have oil in my hands because I know that this part can get frizzy. You will also see me go in with my edge control to smooth everything down. I will highly recommend, if you do have heat damage, flat braid the hair and you should be good. Alright guys, so I was in a rush, so I just hurried up and took the front out and I tried to lay my edges, and then I took out the other braids later on. But you guys see me here putting this edge control on my edges. Trust me, a little goes a long way. I will be doing my review on this edge control because this edge control is the only edge control that lays my edges down 4 hours. You see me putting it on and then you see me brushing it in. After I brush it in, this is the completed look. I mean, I finished my braids later, but this is the completed look. Remember, please like, comment, share, subscribe, send it off to your friends, and let them know to stay tuned for Sunday. All right, y'all, so that was the takedown. Y'all just saw me take down my hair for this braid out look. The oil that I use the Hair Care Solutions 99% Natural Blend Pro Growth. My cousin got this from me. She got it from TJ Maxx. It honestly smells amazing. And what I used on my edges was the Edge Effect Professional Edge Control Gel. The hold was 5+ Extreme Hold. And this smells good as well. So I'm honestly walking by people and it's like hitting them. You know, that smells so good. If that's what y'all want, y'all get that. My edges, as you guys can see, it is holding. It's a few hours later from when I took my braids down. Honestly, when I was taking my braids down, I was saying that this was the first and last time I was gonna do the individual braids. But I honestly like how it looks after like the humidity hit it, because I was gonna try like the flat braids as you guys seen in the front all over my scalp, but we gonna see. Tonight, I think I'm just gonna pineapple it and put a scarf over it and then take it down tomorrow. It'll probably be bigger. We will see. But I'll do a 360 so you guys can see how it looks. But yeah, so that's how it looks. I love it. It's light, it smells good. What else can I say? It's not crunchy, because y'all know when I was doing the braid out, I put gel in it. It's not crunchy at all. It smells good. It's soft. You touch it, it's very nice and moisturized. So this gonna be me for the weekend, and I'm gonna show y'all how it holds up. So yeah.